Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video. If you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. So what we do have planned for today is to finally do another update on the red VTEC. To my understanding, Dane has been a little bit sick, and that is why we actually haven't worked on the car. So for you guys that do not know what I'm talking about when I'm referring to the red VTEC, the red VTEC is a customer's car of Dane, and he basically prepped the car up until now and it's ready to be sprayed. What I'm going to do is maybe just add a video to this one, just maybe how can I say, a montage of all the work that has already been done, because it has been some time ago since we've done an update. So yeah, I'll create a little bit of a montage and then I'll just maybe show you guys what the car looks like right now. To my understanding, Dane did mention that he is going to throw on color today, so that is also something I really want to showcase. However, I do have a family bride today, so I'm going to try my best to show you guys what he is going to do today, and then unfortunately I probably have to leave in the middle of the day. So yeah, this is what we do have planned for today, so let's get going. Okay, so this is the car, guys. This is a 97, what they will call by us Honda Ballade. In other countries they're also known as Civic Ferio. Ferio obviously meaning sedan. Bye. Yo guys, so I arrived at Dane. There's Dane over there and the car's over here. Just going to give you guys a quick walk around as to what we've already done to the car, and then as you guys can see, Dane is busy taping up the car to make it ready for some color. So yeah, this is what the car is currently looking like right now. Then if you guys recalled, this was all repaired. Here was some rust over here, and then as you guys can see, it's primed, pretty smooth over here, and then these marks are all the dents that Dane fixed as well. This is what the rear looks like. Those are the fenders. Dane, you mentioned something about buying other fenders. Well, not no, other fenders, because the fenders are still going to be used. This is the bonnet. Fender liners are going to be replaced. This is the bumpers. Yeah, and then let me just show you guys the doors and the boot lid. This is what the doors look like. So yeah, to my understanding, Dane is just going to throw color on the body basically, and then the doors and boot lid and bonnet I think he's going to do on a separate day sometime in this week. I also try to maybe just come to him in the week as well and give you guys another update, but for now I'm just going to put you guys on the time lapse and show how we basically cover up the whole car before we actually throw some color on the car. So yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, so we have the car all covered up. We also just wiped it off with benzene. Then also just mixed the primer. As you guys can see over here, this section over here is not the same color. So the reason for actually re-primering it is so that it's all one color. And then we'll just sand the whole car again and then benzene it. What we're also going to do is maybe just make the floor wet so that the dust doesn't lift up or go onto the car as well. So the car is all ready and we are going to primer the car now. Guys, so Dane just finished up primering the car. You will see in some sections he didn't completely primer, like this red section over here. It's not really needed because this is going to be sprayed red and this is only the inside of the door. There is some areas where he added the primer where there's a few scratches and so onwards, but other than that he didn't really spray that sections. So let me just show you guys the driver side as well. So I don't know if you guys recall that area where there was two different shades of grey. That is all taken away right now. Everything is basically one color. What we are going to do right now is maybe just sand the car again, wipe it off with benzene, and then it's ready for color. Okay guys, so as you guys have seen, the car is all prepped up and ready for spray. However, we did decide that we are going to spray the car tomorrow instead. The weather is a bit hot and is a bit uncomfortable to spray today, and like I mentioned, Dane isn't feeling 100%. So yeah, we'll pick up this video tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is the next day. Dane has already sanded the side of the car. He's going to just start on the side now, and then he's finally ready to throw some color on. Okay guys, so the next step that we're going to do is Dane is going to wipe the whole car off with this tack cloth. To my understanding, the tack cloth is used to basically remove all the dust particles where benzene is more for wax or, for example, grease on your hands. And what we also did was we wet the whole floor so that the dust from the floor does not lift up and fall onto the car again. Okay guys, so what Dane is just doing right now, he's using the tack cloth just to wipe off all the fumes. Just show us quickly how it looks. So that is all the fumes that basically accumulated while he was spraying. So this is ideally used for that purpose as well. Hey guys, so this is what the first coat looks like. As Dane mentioned, everything does look like it's going to plan. This is the passenger side. This is what the roof looks like. He did also mention that he was expecting it to be a little brighter, but the color might pop when we do the second or third coat. This is what the driver's side looks like. Lava. I am very excited actually as to what the car is going to look like, what the outcome is going to be. If you guys are too, please do give this video a thumbs up. It does really help with the video. As you guys can see, Dane did a very good job. However, this is only the first coat. We still have 2 more to go and then clear.
Okay, so you see this shows you paint.
Okay.
So whatever value you use there, you add 10% reducer.
Which is, what is reducer?
So the same number of whatever you use here. Reducer is the thinness.
The thinness, okay.
2K thinness. So it'll be 10% reducer or 30%. I'm using the 30% one now.
30%, okay. So as you guys can see, it's on 4 over there. Right over there. And then he has to use a 4 over there,
Yeah.
with thinness.
So it's almost a 1-to-1 ratio.
Awesome.
So,
You don't have enough. So you're now on 10%, you need that extra for the 30%, no?
yeah.
As you guys can see there, currently laying on that 4 over there. That means that it's 10%, but we need the 30%, so we have to throw in a little bit more just to make it on that 4 over there, which will make it 30% thinness.
Cool. There we go.
There we go. Perfect.
Oh, it's started to look nice.
Okay guys, so this is what the car looks like. This is its full form, with a clear coat as well as the 3-coat paint. This is the passenger side. And I'm just going to move over to the driver's side. What Dane did mention is that he is extremely happy with the outcome, as well as myself. I really like what he has done. It's one of his best work this far. So what we do plan on doing next is the doors. I think we are going to do that tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, what I do also have here is I do have the owner of the car. He's standing over there, Geraldo. So yeah guys, the car is all finished up. We're going to start again tomorrow. Like I mentioned, we're going to do the doors, as well as we are going to do the bumpers, etc. So yeah, I'm going to end of the video here. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.